What up, internet? I am the PCGoblin, and in today's video we're going to be building a new PC. So we're going to be using the newish or brand newish Be Quiet Silent Base 802 case. So we're going to be taking a look at this case since I've never seen this before. And we're going to be using my old X299 board with my i7-9800X and 32 gigs of G.skill trade and C memory. One Dark Power Pro 1200. And this is the 11. They've come out with a newer one since, but I'm excited to use this. And then we're going to use my Intel 776 SSD. And then to cool it all, we're going to be using the brand new Pure Loop 360mm rad. Go ahead and start taking a look at the power supply, and then we'll take a look at the AIO, and then we'll start building this. Yes, first time I have ever seen a Dark Power Pro. Boom. Ooh, that's fancy. Manual. And then, I mean, like this is what it looks like, and that was sitting right there. But I'm really curious about what this cool looking box is that's all shiny. Okay, we got foam. It's covering the power supply. Yeah, this is nice. I know it's not 100% modular, but they hadn't changed this design for several years by the time I got a hold of one. And they've just since redesigned it, and I believe they've come out with the 12, and it's completely modular and better than this one, but this is still going to be a great power supply. I'm excited to use it. And the only cable that's attached to it is one that you have to have anyways, so it's really not that much of a loss. It doesn't look as pretty. Alright, now let's see what's in this cool box. It's the lid. Ooh. Okay, I've got some kind of PCI bracket with a dip switch on it. Okay, so this has got to be the overclocking key because it says OCK on it. And it says the overclocking key groups the individual 12-volt rails to a single 12-volt rail. Yeah, and then we just got a bunch of cables, so good to go. Power cable. Before I dive into the Pure Loop, the GPU that I'm going to be using is the brand new 6800 XT. So I'm not entirely sure how this opens because I've got tape and a tab thing right here, and then just on the other side I've got the same thing. So okay, so that's what it looks like when you open it. Then Pure Loop. The rad even says Pure Loop on it. That's cool. I like that. I got some fans. Pump head. Feels like aluminum. So now it's just time to install it and see what it does. Alright, now that it's completely finished, well, I mean, I need to install Windows and whatnot on it, but I really like this case. I really love how you take the sides off, you just push a button on the back, boom, it just pops off. And then of course it just pops back on. Same thing with the front. It comes off really easily. This case is super easy to build in once you take off all the sides and whatnot. I think it's a pretty cool case, but leave me a comment in the section below so I can see what you guys think about it. As for that, I think that's it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had a good time. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you want to see more of my stuff, go ahead and crush that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you so much.